Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about English conversation practice.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine too. Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm a student. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job. What do you do in your free time?
I read books in my free time. What are you doing right now?
I'm going to sleep. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. What are your hobbies?
I like listening to music.
What's your last name?
My last name's Jake.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to rap songs.
What kind of movies do you like?
I don't like to watch movies.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak English.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm thirsty.
What's your nationality?
I am from America. Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English at school. Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Where do you work?
I work in a shop. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza, and your?
Ice cream is my favorite fast food.
Really? Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you again. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.